Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. One of my guilty pleasures as an English language teacher is eavesdropping. I love listening in on other people's conversations. Obviously, being a language teacher, I feel that this is research. It's kind of field work to help me keep up with the way that people are using the language. In other words, my job basically legitimizes nosiness. Yesterday, I was on the bus coming back from meeting a friend of mine in town, and there was a woman in front of me engaged in a furious argument on the phone with a person that I'm assuming was probably a partner of some kind. And at the end of this conversation, she basically shouted into her phone, saying, "I don't know why I even bothered talking to you. I might as well just save my breath." When we talk about saving our breath or saving your breath, we basically mean it's not worth talking to someone because they're not going to listen to you. They're not going to change your mind. I sometimes use it when I have representatives of certain political parties, such as the Liberal Democrats or the Conservatives, who come and knock on my door here in North London and ask if I've ever thought about maybe voting for them. Before the conversation has a chance to develop, I usually just say, "Listen, save your breath, walk on, there's no way I'm ever going to vote for you guys." In the same way, maybe if you've been engaged over recent days and weeks in pointless, exhausting, stressful, upsetting arguments on social media about the war and the ongoing conflict, you might sometimes need to say or to write, "Listen, you can just save your breath. There's no way you're ever going to persuade me you're right." If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps more people find out about what we do. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use save your breath